Look how we do it. Delivery. Pull in, pull in, pull in, pull in. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. Happy birthday. She don't even know we coming. 30-day tag. Auto negotiators. We bring good things to your home. Happy birthday. I got all the paperwork. That's ready right there. Hold on. She don't know. We like to press. We bringing things to the house. We got it. We got us.
Hey, Stacy, I'm out here for you.
We got a special.
Bring the phone.
We got a.
Yeah, the Empress had a.
We got a special delivery for Stacy Gallman. Need you to come outside and sign for the package, please. Okay. Come on out.
Hold on, sir. Hold on.
They said today was your birthday. This is correct. We have a brand new car for you out here.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Miss Gallman. That's your keys.
Oh, Lord.
The brand new 2013 Honda Azera Limited.
No, that's right.
Got every option available.
Wow.
Going.
We did it.
Y'all are full of it.
You good? Have a seat on in there.
Oh, Lord. Thank you. I gotta go for a ride. I gotta go for a ride. I have the best brothers in the world. I tell you.
It's push button. Huh? He go.
Oh, push. See,
it's
you know,
push, it's push
my
button.
car's so old, I don't even know how to work this. Oh, I gotta
Put your foot on the brakes. Put your foot on the brakes, and just push the button.
Okay, thank you, Sean. I gotta.
The power seat, the seats right here. Right here.
The seats right here.
Control the back.
Just need to quit.
Hit the button and start it right up. There you go.
Did you see that look? Hold it. Hold this. Let me just ride around the corner.
Okay.
You can get me while I'm riding.
I got you. I got you.
Let me pop reverse.
Okay, we go. We ready. We ready.
You got that?
She ready. She ready to go. She ready to go.
She's been asking about a car for the last 2 weeks, bro.
We try to make it right for you, man.
Last 2 weeks, been asking about a car.
She ain't come back.
Oh, yeah.
She ain't come back. She said, I'm gone.
She gone.
How you doing, Miss Lady? How you doing? Let me tell Brilliance to get out of the car. Brilliance. He worked at the dealership.
Oh, Devin?
Is she gonna come back? We don't know.